Today we have gathered here because all of you know the unprecedented number of crimes during BJP regime have put all our ladies to shame. The lawmakers themselves are breaking the law. And you have seen that day before yesterday, we exposed one of the minister from the BJP government. Now, in order to protect our ladies, in order to make our ladies safe, we want a government which will protect as well as give us a feeling that our ladies are safe. And no other government can give us except Congress government. And that is the reason why we are trying to take out this candle vigil, as we call it, candle march, and in a protest of whatever that is happening in Goa. As you all know, the number of crimes, the number of rapes, the number of molestations, the number of murders, the number of minor kidnappings is on rise. If you look at the NCRB report of 2020, that is last year's, the number of crimes in Goa is much, much higher than a national crime record. National crime record says, of last year I'm talking, says it is 4.3, whereas Goa's crime record is 7.8. So this is something very stunning. Now, this is last year's. But this year, if you take the record, I've already given you the statistics earlier also. If you want, I can give it today also. But there are 743 ladies missing. This itself shows that the present government is also missing somewhere or the other. The ladies in Goa are not secure. The ladies in Goa are just taken for ride. Goa being a tourist destination. See, the image of Goa has been tarnished because there is no law and order during the BJP rule. And that's why, in order to bring the law and order, I appeal to all my ladies from Goa, whichever party they belong to. It is the only party, that is Congress is the only party which can give them a safe and protective life. Now, as you all know, that 2 days back, the minister from BJP government, 15 days back, we had given a warning to the Chief Minister of Goa that we will not disclose his name. You yourself take the action. But it seems that the Chief Minister of Goa, the government of Goa, BJP government of Goa, wanted to protect him. And when we have given them the deadline of 15 days. When they did not take any action, we have to come out openly with his name. Now from this, and this now they have taken an action to sack him. When we had asked 15 days back to sack him, they did not sack him. Because it is an election time, they have to take that immediate step of sacking him. Now this, if they would have done it earlier, perhaps some of the crimes, whatever the crimes that have happened in Marmo, Goa, Vasco, wherever it is, perhaps would have reduced to some extent. And today, this protest is a mark, or is symbolic, the darkness of crime towards women, violence towards women is spread all over. Now, it's only the Congress government which can bring brightness and a good future for Goa. Thank you.
बारीक नदर मारी जाल्यार आमच्या ह्या गोंयचेर बायल्यो सेफ ना, कॉलेज वयता ती भुरगीं सेफ ना. आनी हाका लागून आवय बापायक घरा कडेन टेन्शन जाता, भुरगीं घरा पावतलीं काय पावपा नाय कॉलेजीक सान, कामाक वयताय तांकां ती चिंता घरा पावतलीं भुरगीं, कित्याक इतलो समाज इतलें भ्रश्टाचार आनी कितलें वायट चलता ह्या बायलांचेर. लोक सगळे वायट नदरेन पळयता बायलांक. आमचे मिनिस्टरूच सारके ना. आमकां गरज आसा आतां बरें सरकार घडोवन हाडपाक, बरे मनीस चूज करपाक. आमकां इतलेंच मागताय आमी सरकारा कडल्यान लोकां कडेनूय मागताय चिंतून लोकांक वोट घालात आनी गोंया बायलांक सुरक्षा दवरपाक जाय. चड गरज आसा बायलांक सुरक्षीत दवरपाक. सो आमची इतलो आमचे वीश इतलीच आसा की बायलांक न्याय मेळपाक जाय, बायलांक सेफ्टी आसपाक जाय. दुसऱ्या गांवांनी भायल्या देशांनी तशें आसा कितें बारीक पसून क्रायम तर चलत जाल्यार रोखडेंच ताका कळटा. सगळे कडेन कॅमेरा आसपाक जाय. इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणल्यार कॅमेरा वयता थंय कॅमेरा आसपाक जाय. कित्याक खंय कितें जाता तें आवय बापायक कळचे पयलीं पुलिसांक कळोवन तेन्नाच तांकां न्याय मेळपाक जाय. हे भाशेन आमचें गोंय आमकां दिसता, म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता गोंय हे भाशेन आसपाक जाय. भायलो देशान आसा तेच भाशेन गोंयांय जावपाक जाय. की आमचें गोंय धाकटुलें हें करूंक जाता. आमचे भ्रश्टाचारा वतून ते आपलेच चोरूंक पडले, आपलेच पोट भरपाक पडले, आपलेच घरदार वयर काडपाक पडले. लोकांची कोण चिंतना. लोकांनी चिंतताले जाल्यार हे पयलीं सगळे वयता थंय कॅमेरा आसपाक जाय आनी आमच्या बायलांक सेफ दवरपाक जाय.
आयचे सिच्युएशन इतलें हे जाल्लें आसा महिलाचे की महिला भायर सरपाक भितात. आनी ज्या तरेन आज पर्यंत हे 1 वर्स जालें आतां 11 म्हयन्याक इतले हे जाल्ले आसात रेप केसी. मागीर तेंचे BJPचे मंत्रीच हे करता जाल्यार आमी कितें अपेक्षा दवरपाची तांचे कडल्यान. तर हे सगळे बंद जावपा खातीर आमी एक हे ल्हानसो उपक्रम चालू केला. तेणी हे सगळे बंद करचे अशें.